In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can make a pixel art in Google Sheets. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to a blank sheet like this one right here that I'm editing, and simply inside you then want to click on the box before the alphabetical order, so it's going to highlight every column right here, and you want to resize it into a square grid like type to make sure that it fits our pixel art columns. So you can just do this right here to make sure that we can place colors individually on our boxes. And basically right after, you can also place more pixels by once again highlighting all of our column, and then you want to copy by pressing Ctrl C, click on the edge column, which is going to be Z, and then you want to click on Ctrl V. It will then paste basically a new column right here that we can simply edit or draw on. Now, in my case, I'm going to start with this example right here. Basically, it's as simple as clicking on individual boxes and from here filling some colors in. Now, if you want to make things easier, you can just fill up some primary colors right here, maybe some red, some blue, some yellow, some black, or something like that. And from there, to make things faster, you can just copy your color and then you want to place it to your pixel art right here. So I'm going to highlight as much as I can, and then I'm going to paste it right here. And as you can see, we have drawn a pixel art on Google Sheets. Once again, you can make things easier by just copying the color and highlighting the art right here. And once we can then put individual boxes or individual squares into our pixel art. Right after, you then want to copy your color and then you want to paste it to your art. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.